Face structure is a major part of your overall appearance. Some people have good facial structure genetically, but most of us don't have. So in this special video, I will share how we can come up with a better face structure. Plus, I will give some exercises you can do anytime and anywhere to fix your face structure quickly. So don't skip any point because it's going to be a life-changing practical guide to your sharpened facial structure. Lots of channels are talking on this topic, but none of the videos talked about this important factor of achieving your desired facial structure. It's facial fat. I believe that it's the most underrated point that 99% of people ignore. But the question is how we can remove these extra fats from the face. There are some exercises that I personally did and had tremendous effects after doing regularly for some weeks. The first one is the fish face. It's a very simple exercise. Suck your cheeks and lips inwards just like a fish. Hold on to this position for a while and try to smile. You can do this exercise throughout the day whenever you are free. The second effective exercise is the locked tongue pose. You can do this by sitting down comfortably on the ground and placing the tip of your tongue against the upper wall of your mouth. Force your tongue against the wall till you feel the stretch in your neck. I recommend doing it 6 to 8 times daily. The third in the list is the raise eyebrows exercise. It's a special exercise for your smooth eyebrows. Open your eyes wide and make sure your eyebrows are not wrinkled. Stay this way and focus on a point in the distance, then relax. You can repeat it 3 to 4 times. At this point, I'm assuming you don't have lots of fat on your face. Then the most important feature of your face is your jawline. I know your jawline looks like this or even this. We call it double chin. But how to get rid of this jawline to make it sharper? There are some exercises you can do. The first one is press and look up. Press the collarbones with your hands and move your head upward as you are looking up. Make sure you feel stretch in front of your neck. Do this 6 to 8 times. The second effective exercise for the jawline is chin lock. You can do this by sitting down in the lotus position and breathing deeply. Place your hands on your keens, lift your shoulders up and bend forward. Stick your chin firmly against your chest and between your collarbones. Hold on your breath as long as possible. The third on the list is what I call the woo exercise. To do this, pronounce silently in your mouth woo. And then E. Do this for as many times as you can. If we are talking about a sharper jawline, we can't forget to mention the mewing exercise for jawline. You can do this by closing your lips. Move your jaw so that your front bottom teeth are just behind your front upper teeth. Cover the roof of your mouth with your tongue. Place the tip of your tongue right behind your front teeth without touching. When it comes to a better face, glowing skin is an important feature to look at. Here is a simple skincare routine you should add to your routine. Otherwise, you end up wasting your time watching all those bullshit videos. In the morning, wash your face with a cleanser. Use moisturizer after it to keep your skin hydrated. Also use sunscreen every time you go outside. I guarantee that this simple routine will change your skin drastically. 60% of your total face beauty is having good-looking hair. Here are the 12 best hairstyles that can fit any type of personality. Quiff, French crop, slick back, messy hair, comb over, crew cut, buzz cuts, high and tight, curtains, side part, bro flow, textured fringe. Lips are also a facial feature you shouldn't ignore. To have crisp and sharper lips, do a couple of exercises to enhance your facial beauty. The first one is to smile smoother. How to do it? Smile as wide as possible while keeping your lips closed. Hold the smile for a few seconds. Relax and repeat 6 to 8 times. The second on the list is lip pouts. It's a very straightforward activity. Pout your lips as far out as possible, as if you were going to kiss someone. Hold the position for a few seconds and relax. Repeat for 6 to 8 times. That's all exercises for all the face features, but there is one more thing you should focus on. It's not a part of the face, but it affects the overall face structure. It's a sharp and straight neck. I also do 3 exercises of the neck that you can do too. The first one is neck tilt. So you can do this by sitting with your spine straight. Slowly tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Second on the list is neck rotations. How to do it. Sit with your spine straight. Slowly turn your head to one side as if you were trying to look over your shoulder. Hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Repeat several times on each side. The third exercise for the neck is shoulder shrugs. Sit or stand with your spine straight. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat several times. Now, we have covered everything to make a better face structure by doing some basic yet effective exercises, but one more thing you have to focus on is proper diet and eating healthy meals. And best of all, diet is drinking enough water to make your skin hydrated throughout the day. I recommend drinking 1 gallon or 3.8 liters of water daily. You don't need any more videos to watch on this topic. It's your turn to work on yourself if you truly want to achieve a model to your facial structure. If you like this video, share it with your friends who are looking to better their face structure. Thanks for watching.